Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. First of all, I just like to say I hope and pray that everyone is doing fine in this corona global pandemic. I know that a lot of you guys are currently self-quarantining like myself, and a lot of persons have lost their job. A lot of persons have not been able to work or get a sustainable income since the quarantine has started. So this video will be sort of my way of giving back to everyone else, like teaching you guys how you can make money online the easiest way I know how. And in this video I'll be teaching you guys how you can make up to $500 to 1000 USD dollars just by typing, guys. That's right, only thing you'll be doing is typing. It's called transcriptions. So basically you'll be taking an audio or video and making that audio or video into transcription. So you basically be typing everything that's being said in that audio or everything that's being said in that video. It's very simple, guys, and I'll be teaching you it right now. So first of all, as you can see, I'm here on Fiverr.com. That is the platform that persons offer this service, that you can offer this service and make tons of money, guys. Right. So basically, guys, Fiverr.com is a freelancing website. So a freelancing website means there's persons on the website that offers a wide variety of services. So there's persons that do digital marketing, graphic design, writing and translation, uh, animations, programming, stuff like that. But the easiest way I know how to make money, guys, on Fiverr.com is transcription. So let's jump right into it. As you can see here, guys, results for transcription, because I just searched for transcription here. You can see a lot of services here for transcriptions, and the best thing about it, you can do it all over the world. I am currently living in Jamaica, so it is done anywhere in the world. So as you can see, this person here, his gig says, I will transcript your 30-minute German audio file. So he will transcribe 30 minutes of audio, and he's charging you $25 to transcribe 30 minutes. And as you can see here, he has already 3 orders that has been completed, guys, and 5-star reviews. This person here, I will transcribe a perfect audio transcript speedily, and she's charging $5 the minimum. Let's click on her gig right now. $5 is the minimum you can charge, guys, but you can offer gig packages to up the price. Okay, so as you can see, she has done over 496 orders already, completed and done, and got paid for those orders, guys. And all of these orders are not $5 orders. For instance, if you come over here to look at her packages, her basic bronze package is $5, and she's offering 5 minutes of clear audio transcription for $5. If you go to her standard package, she's offering 30 minutes of transcription for $30. If you go to premium package, she's offering 60 minutes of audio transcription for $60, guys. So imagine that. Just check it. Just check, even check the standard price. Just calculate $30 times $496 and see how much that is. Let me calculate it for you right now. $30 times 496. Sorry. Let's see how much that is. She has made over $14,880 just doing transcription alone, guys. Because remember, I said all the packages are not $5, and majority of the persons that are buying audios will be 30 minutes or more. So I'm just calculating it at the standard price of $30. She has made more than 14,000 off this gig alone, guys. Understand? And this is only transcription. Let me play her. No, I won't play that video. So let me go back here again and look at someone else's profile. Okay, this is Harry Scribe. I know this lady. She's also a Jamaican, I think. Let's wait on the profile to load. So basically, guys, you guys can do it as well. All you have to do is create your Fiverr account. If you need help creating the Fiverr account, just comment below. Let me know, and I will create another video teaching you guys step by step how to create your Fiverr account, how to create your gigs to start selling, how to set everything up, and I will teach you guys, and I will even give you my email so you can email me, or my number so you can call me, guys. I'm always available to help no matter what. We're all in this crisis together, and we all want to make a living, guys. A lot of us have families, and there's not there's no jobs right now, basically, because everyone's getting laid off and everyone's getting sent home. Everyone is being quarantined, guys. Okay, guys, so this is Harry's Scribe profile, and let's see something here. Right, she's also a Jamaican. She has been a member of this platform since 2018, guys. So you see, people are making a lot of money on this to be working on it. And I think she's also a full-time transcriber as well. So let's look at her basic packages. She's offering 10 minutes of transcription for $5, guys. Again, remember, $5 is the basic you can offer your packages for. Okay. Standard transcription is $25, and that's 30 minutes of transcription, and her premium package is $50, guys. So you see, it's basically the same as the last, just a slightly different in the price range. But again, I'm showing you she has gone over 196 orders already. She currently has one order in queue, which means she has one order doing right now, and she's making her money from this thing, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys how much money you can really make from doing this. And also, guys, this is one of my accounts. I'll just go ahead and show you how much money I've made on this account, because I don't use this account anymore. But I'll go ahead and show you my earnings page and how much money I've made since starting Fiverr with this profile. Okay, as you can see here, guys, my net income on this profile has been $416 right here, and I haven't used this account since February, I think. No, since January. I haven't used this account since January. Okay, so let me just show you an example of transcriptions. Okay, so how you would do the transcriptions is you would go to Transcribe.com. It's very simple, guys. You go to Transcribe.com, you just go and start transcribing. You'll clear this area, and let's find a video or audio to transcribe, guys. I'll just give you the basics of how to do it. Alright, guys, so I have a movie uploaded because it's only an example. I just uploaded the flash because I was watching it today. So let me start. In order to start, as you can see, you can press the play button right here to start.
But Joe, this is your first year as captain.
And while it's playing, you'll listen to it and type it, okay?
First year as captain. If your people... It's not that simple.
So you'll write, this is not that simple. It's simple as that, guys. You just